Which animal never drinks water in its entire life? Kangaroo rat. What is the physical phase of life called? Protoplasm. The largest cell is the egg of an ostrich. Which is the largest human cell? Ovum. Dash is the longest cell? Nerve cell. What is the name of the cells in the body that engulf foreign particles like bacteria? Phagocytes. There are dash number of muscles in human? 639. What is the lifespan of RBC? 120 days. What is the lifespan of WBC? 2 to 15 days. Longest bone in human being body is femur. The number of ribs in a human body is 24. Which is the smallest flightless bird? Kiwi. Zoology is the study of lizards. Hormones are produced by endocrine glands. Which of the following is the master gland? Pituitary gland. What is the full form of ADH? Antidiuretic hormone. What is the normal value of blood sugar in the body? 80 to 120 milligram or 100 milliliter of blood. Which is the largest blood vessel in the body? Aorta. Which of the following carries impure blood? Pulmonary artery. Who had performed the world's first heart transplant? Christian Barnard. Which of the following is not an allotrope of carbon? Glass. What is the formula of sulfuric acid? H2SO4. How are the following elements arranged in the periodic table? Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium and boron. What is the number of periods in which periodic table is divided? 7. There are dash groups in the periodic table? 18. Which one of the following is not an element of noble gases? Hydrogen. Mole is defined as the number of atoms found in dash of carbon 12 grams. Which of the following is not a mixture? Graphite. Alloys are harder than the pure metal. What is the name of that process in which oxygen is removed? Reduction. Rusting is an dash reaction. Oxidation. What is needed for rusting to occur? Water and oxygen. All acids are dash corrosive when they are strong. When an acid reacts with a metal carbonate, the products formed are salt, water and carbon dioxide. Which one is an alkaline among the following? Ammonia. In periodic table, elements are arranged according to their dash atomic number. What is an isotope? Atoms of an element having different mass number. Atomic number is represented by which letter? Z. Which science is sometimes called central science? Chemistry. Which acid is used in the body to help digestion? Hydrochloric acid.